70 feet of composite hull, 34 feet of beam, over 3,000 square feet of total canvas. The Sunreef 70 is not a production catamaran, it is a custom-built offshore platform, built by Sunreef Yachts in Gdańsk, Poland. The 70 is a full custom multi-hull, naval architecture, interior design, and every system specified by the owner at the yard, composite construction throughout. Auxiliary power, two 225 horsepower diesel drives, 450 horsepower combined. Under power, she reaches approximately 10 knots at cruise. Full performance data, top speed under sail, fuel capacity, and range is available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 70 feet overall, 34 feet of beam, among the widest platforms at this length class in the sailing catamaran category. Draft 4 feet 2 inches. That beam drives interior volume, stability, and total sail area. Full custom configuration at the Sunreef shipyard, layout, finish, and every system specified from keel to masthead. 1,722 square feet of mainsail, total canvas over 3,000 square feet, carbon mass stands 101 feet. Composite hull construction keeps displacement manageable at 72,000 pounds, light for the platform size. The protected central cockpit and wide flybridge deliver outdoor living space not found on narrow beam competitors. 5 private staterooms accommodate up to 10 guests with crew quarters available on custom specification. The panoramic saloon runs full beam, floor-to-ceiling glass panels on 3 sides, delivering the signature Sunreef open water experience. Bottom line, the Sunreef 70 is the benchmark for custom offshore sailing catamarans, the complete ocean cruising platform for the buyer who wants nothing standard. For the full spec sheet, comparison data, and build history on this vessel, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.